Hi guys, welcome back to Michaela's Reviews. Today I am fitting a venting hose for my dryer. I got this one from Argos, which is in the UK. It's universal, and I'm just going to show you how I'm going to fit it. I've just taken it off. I fitted it and then I'll take it off. I thought I'd do a video. So this is it here. That's my vent, and I'm just going to show you how I fit it. Okay, so what you want to be doing, the end is like this, so you just want to get the end on. It's wire, so it should just be quite flexible. So it slips on like that. And then what I'd like to do, I'm just going to get the other bit of wire in like that, so it's a comfy fit. And we all like a comfy fit, don't we? So that's that one, so it's nice and snug against the wall. Okay, so I've done that, and now I'm just going to use I can't remember what these are called, strap things, I don't know, can't remember what they're called. And I'm just going to, well, I would, but they don't fit, so I need to get something a little bit bigger, so I need a bigger one of these, but at the moment we'll just leave it like that. Do a bit more of the wire over the covering so it's a bit more secure. Okay, so that's that. Now we've got to put it, the other end, into here. Okay, so I'll just leave that there. Alright, I just gave the machine a quick clean while I was there, and now we're going to fit this one. So it has these little caps here. I think I need to put them inside, in between. So the wire goes in between those little clasps, I think. It's quite difficult. Again, right, I'm going to be a while here, so I'm just going to put. Okay, yeah, I've done that, and then I twisted it a little bit just to give it. I don't know if it does anything, but it just seems to secure it a bit more. I don't know. So the wire has to go between those little gaps. Okay, so hopefully that's explained it a bit, and then we're going to see if it works. Okay, moment of truth. See if I've done it properly. Just going to do mix and dry. Fingers crossed. Well, it's working. So yeah, that's how you do a vent. You're welcome. If you like this video, can you subscribe, comment and like, please? Thank you.